Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be learning some basics of German language. As we know, alphabets are the basic building blocks of any language. So, in this video, we'll be learning alphabets and some phrases which we need to learn in the initial phase of learning German. So, let's start with those alphabets. Here, uh, A, which is in English language, transforms to A in German. So let's see other transformation of all these alphabets. So A is transformed to A, B is Be, C is Se, D is De, E is A, F will remain as it is, which is F, G is Ge, H is Her, I is E, J is Yacht, K is Ka, here, L, M, N, and O will remain as it is, which is the same L, M, N, and O. P will change to P. Q is Q. R is R. S will remain same, which is S. T is T. U is U. V is V. W is V. X is X. Y is Epsilon. And Z is pronounced as Z. In order to remove any confusion, it is set. For those who know Hindi, they can understand it as after and set, set. Okay. Now in German, there is another symbol which comes into role, that is umlaut. This symbol is known as umlaut. It changes the sound of an alphabet. So let's say, for example, if I have A, simple A, then it will be pronounced as A. But if I have A and there is an umlaut above it, then it will be pronounced as A, which is A. Here it is pronounced as A. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, there is another symbol which has its existence in German language, which is this one. This symbol is known as SZ, and it is pronounced as simple "sir" in German. So let's say if I have a word in German, let's say it is Fluss. Here you can see this beta sign, which I have already told you, known as SZ. It will have simple sound as "sir," that is Fluss. I hope you understand. Now there are other three alphabets that have their existence in German language. That is A with umlaut. This is known as A umlaut A. Another one is O with the umlaut. This is known as umlaut U. Another one is U with umlaut. This is umlaut U. This is pronounced as umlaut U. Okay. Now let's have a look at some phrases which we need to learn. It will be very interesting if you learn these and speak in your daily use in order to learn the language in more easier and fun way. So let's start. If you want to say hello to someone, then you can simply say hello. This is hello. Okay. If you want to say good morning to someone, then it is Guten Morgen. It is Guten Morgen. And let's say you want to greet someone or say good afternoon, then we have the same word for both of the greetings, which is Guten Tag. That is Guten Tag. Now let's say if you want to greet someone good evening, then it is Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Now let's say if I want to say good night to someone, then it is Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Now I have bifurcated the phrases via in two different things, which is formal and informal. In German, there are two types of speeches, which is formal and informal. If I want to speak formally to someone, then I will use the left side one. And if I am informal with someone, he or she is my friend, then I will go with the right ones. So let's have a look at it. informal one, first is woher kommen Sie, and the informal one is woher kommst du. This is translated as where are you from? If I want to speak in workplace, as I have already told you, then I will say woher kommen Sie. And if it is a friend or a buddy, then I will say woher kommst du. That means where are you from? And then the reply that the other person will give me ich komme aus, and here the place. This sentence will be translated as I come from and the place, which is which is the place where you are living at currently. Okay, the next one is wie ist ihr or dein Name. Okay, so the first sentence is wie ist ihr Name or wie ist dein Name. It means what is your name? Okay, and the other person will respond mein Name ist dash, your name. Okay, so as it is somewhat clear that the reply is my name is this. Okay, now let's move on to some other phrases. Yeah, so the next one is wie heißen Sie or wie heißt du. As previous, referring to the previous, wie heißen Sie is a formal one and wie heißt du is informal one. Uh, the meaning of this is who are you? If I want to know who are someone like I meet someone for the first time and I want to know that what is his or her name, so I can ask wie heißen Sie or wie heißt du. So the reply will be ich heiße your name. Let's say the name is Preeti, so it will be ich heiße Preeti. Okay, the translation is I am Preeti. Okay, the next one is wer sind Sie or wer bist du. So the meaning of this is also the same, which is who are you? Wer sind Sie is the formal one and wer bist du is the informal one. So the reply will be ich bin your name. I am Preeti. Okay. The next one is wo wohnen Sie or wo wohnst du. Left one is the formal one and one is the informal one. So where do you live? And the answer will be ich wohnen in the place where you are living currently. Okay. So ich wohnen in, the translation of this is I live in dash. The next one is we are Zinji or we are this too. So the translation of this is how old are you? If I want to know the age of the other person, then I will simply ask we are Zinji or we are this too according to the scenario. And the answer will be ich bin dash Jahre alt. Uh, as we have studied the alphabets, you will be familiar that in that we were pronouncing J as yacht. So here J will be not pronounced as J but Y. Okay. So let's say there is a kid and I asked we are Zinzi. So the answer will be Ich bin 8 Jahre alt. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it and we'll meet in the next video of mine. So yeah, good day till then. Bye bye.